Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to continue my little series about journaling. So far, I have made 2 videos. I will link them down below, and that is on household items you could use to journal with, and just a general journaling video about there's no right or wrong way to journal. Okay, but I will link those down below. So today I want to talk to you about items that you can actually create to add to a journal. So I have a basket here of things that I've made, journals to look at, to go over things that you can actually make to go in a journal. I have my list on my phone, and my phone keeps closing because I have it going off after 30 seconds and I haven't changed it. So that should be fun. But here's a big basket of things that I have made to go in journals, and then that way if I want something I just pull from the basket. But there's a bunch of different things you can make. Here's some altered cards. It's just a playing card that you alter. You just decorate it. Do I have others? Yes, I have a bunch in here. So you can do it in any way. So that's one thing that you can create. You can create tags any way you want, doesn't matter. All kinds of tags. These are empty, they're blank. But here's some more cards. So that's altered playing cards and tags, and let's see, what else do I have in here? Pockets made out of paper. I have a video, I think, on these. But there's just different pockets made out of paper. These are also, I think, yeah. Here's more, just different ones, different sizes, different styles. You can make envelopes. Here are some little paper notebooks, paper flips. This is something that you can make. This is made from complete scrap paper. Here's another example with just pinks. So yeah, these are made just from scrap paper, scrap pieces of paper, and a prong fastener. What else is in here? I have a lot of altered cards. Here are some tags, different kinds of tags. This is an accordion tag, plenty of room to decorate. I did have a video on that. So that's a different kind of tag. I have just lots of tags. Lots of tags. I like making tags, but I never use them. Here's another kind of tag, a layered tag. See, and I used an eyelet, a little eyelet at the top. See that? A little eyelet at the top. Maybe you'll see it better on this one. See, a little eyelet. This is a Roxy Creations little thing. She's really great to watch if you want something to make. Giant tags with hidden journaling spots. I think that is it in here. I did want to show you, but I don't see one. Oh, here they are. You don't have to just do playing cards. I mean, these are little mini Uno cards. Very, very tiny little mini Uno cards. See, Uno Go. Got this at the Dollar Tree. So, there you go. That's everything in this bucket. Let me put it away. In absolutely no order. Okay, so that's everything in this bucket. And then I have this journal, and there's a bunch of stuff in this journal. So let me put my phone back on. Okay, so in this journal we have things like dangles. So for here, I just put an eyelet in and a bulb pin and decorate it with ribbon, a charm that says October, because this is my October journal, and thread and that kind of stuff. So you can make little dangles, you could do all beads, you could do whatever you want. You could put beads on the actual signature strings. Okay, so that's one thing. Let's see. You can make fabric. I can't. Whatever that is right now. Little envelopes. You can make your own envelopes. Paper tabs. Here is a fabric flip. So instead of paper, you can make out of fabric. Same concept, except I glued everything across with Fabri-Tac and then just paper clipped it in. What else? Belly bands. This is a belly band that can hold anything, not just a journaling card. It can hold anything. Little side tuck pockets. Okay. What else is in here? Full pockets. We've already talked about pockets. I know. Fabric. This is a little piece of fabric that no, it's actually like fabric washi. It's very weird. But you can use that as a tab. Little side tucks. So just a piece of paper. I stapled it down on the side instead of gluing it. Another little side pocket, but a little corner pocket, a little tuck. Belly band still. You can use little clips and hang charms off of them. So this is just a bulldog clip that I hung a charm off of. You can also hang your charms off of your signatures. So I hung charms off my signatures. And here's a little top tuck. Okay, and here I used the product box I used to make it. I turned into a tag. And I think that's about everything that I have in here. I think. Let's see. What else is on my list? Yes, I believe that's everything that was in here. So, put that away. And then I have on here to make your own journaling cards. This stamp set I've had for a while. It's a penny black stamp set, I believe. I believe that's what it is. But I use it to make my own journaling cards and library cards. So here's the library card, and here is what it looks like stamped out. All I did was grab a bunch of different paper and stamp it on there, and then that's good to be used for anything. It doesn't have to be used for books. It could be used for journaling. It could be used for books. It could be used for anything you want. Quotes, anything. And this one here, I did the same thing. I have a bunch of different paper, and I just stamped it out, and then I have journal cards already made, and I just have to grab them from my journal card box, and I'm ready to go. So this comes in really handy. Let's see. Also, here, library. I just threw it. I just threw it down. So you can make library pockets. There's dies. You can buy them pre-made. You don't have to make them, but they're very easy to make. It's just a piece of paper folded and glued. They're very simple to make. So there you go. This is my book where I add different ideas into. So, is there anything in here? A lot of tags and pockets. Okay. And then I have, another thing is die cuts. You can use your metal dies, or you can use your cutting machine like a Cricut, anything like that, to cut things out. And I always have spares. So whatever I have left over gets thrown in this drawer, and when I need something, I just pull it out. Like, I just recently made a journal, and I had flowers in here and leaves that I used in the journal. So there's stuff in here that does not belong, but there's stuff in here that does. So I just throw whatever extra stuff that I cut out in here, and that way when I'm making something, let me take out the extra stuff that does not belong. As you can see, sometimes I get lazy and I don't put everything away right. But don't we all? So yeah, there's even like little tree die. When I got this tree die, I cut it out to see, and I just used this tree die in a journal, and it was already cut out for me, which was really nice. But there's tags, little mason jars, everything in here. That makes it so easy. Whenever I cut something out, I usually cut out extras and they get thrown in here. Here were Christmas stockings from a project, a pair of glasses. So that's what I do. Anytime I cut out something, I cut out extra, and it all gets thrown in this drawer, and that way if I need something, I dig through. If it's in there, great, I use it. If not, then I have to make it. Okay, what else? So I have in here belly bands, tags, pockets, tuck spots, which you saw all that, tickets, notebooks, so little flips, library cards, journal cards, library pockets, you saw all that, paper tabs, fabric tags, you saw that. You can make calendars, dangles, die cuts, altered cards, and crochet and knit objects. I don't have any on hand to show you, but I do have this. I just finished this journal. I wanted to show you that I also use my Cricut to make things. So where is the page I'm looking for? Here it is. So I just finished this commission journal, and this is an SVG that I got free from Barely Art, and I made it big, cut it out, made it into a pocket, and just slipped some pieces of paper in to use as journaling cards. And this is not the only one. This watering can also is an SVG I used to cut out for my Cricut. Now, it did have flowers in it. I got rid of the flowers and just cut out the watering can. And there's another one. Where is it? Just want to show you all of the possibilities. That you could do. Here, these are cloud dies that I used in this journal. Here we go. This was a rain boot. It was also, I believe, Barely Art, and it had flowers in it. I got rid of the flowers, just cut out the rain boot and made it a pocket. Okay, so there's a lot of different things that you could do in a journal. Other things, oh, here we go. This bookshelf die, I just glued it here, here, and across the bottom, and slipped pieces of paper behind the books. Okay, there's more. There's more. This is a scroll die. I believe it. Oh, here is a book die. And there's another one in this book die here. Okay, so you can really use a lot of stuff that you wouldn't think in a journal. Okay, stuff that you make that you could use in a journal. So I think that is everything that I had. Like I said, also said crochet knit. I don't like flowers and stuff. I don't have any on hand. I wanted to make one, and I've been working on that journal I just showed you for days and days and days, so I kind of forgot. But there you go. That is, let's put this out here so you can look at it. That is so much stuff that you can use and make for your journals. Oh, here I even have these little dies. This is an embroidery hoop die that I had cut out, and I have in here because they're nicely decorated, so if I want to use them, they're there. But that's it. Yeah, there's so much stuff that you can use, so much stuff that you can make, that you can add to your journal. And a lot of these things you probably already have paper on hand. If you're a crafter, you already have paper on hand. It's not hard to make a tag. To make a tag, I use my crocodile, which you can use just a regular hole punch. It doesn't have to be fancy. And I use this paper punch here. It's a 3-way corner punch, and it cuts these angles right here. That's it. That's what I use. Here, I'll take this one out and show you. See? That's how I get. And there's different sizes. So if you make different size tags. And like I said, I use a crocodile, but you can use just a regular hole punch. That's what I started off with. So there you go. A list of, how many was it? So belly bands, tags, pockets, tuck spots, tickets, notebooks, fabric flips, journal cards, library pockets, paper tabs, fabric tabs, calendars, dangles, die cuts, crochet knit items, and altered cards. All the ways, different items that you can make to put in your journals. If you think of anything else that I missed, please let me know down below. Last time I filmed one of these, at the end I thought of like 10 more items. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. I hope this little series I'm doing is helping you. And I have 2 more videos coming up yet, so look for those. Anyway, it's the first thing in the morning and I'm super tired, so I don't know if I'm even sounding right now. But it is what it is. I have to film what I can film. Anyway, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for all your support and comments, and yeah, have a great rest of your day.